Assalamualaikum. You want to do that with me?
Okay, 3, 2, 1. Assalamualaikum.
Welcome to another episode of our favorite show, Offset. I am Ibad Ali Shah.
And I am Abdullah Malik.
And once again, Assalamualaikum.
Assalamualaikum.
Sorry, we decided we'll say hello this time to you guys like this. I hope you guys enjoyed that because we certainly did.
Of course.
Maza aata hai for some reason when you say it like that. I don't know why it gives a weird kick.
Yeah, it's like
You guys like a whoop.
Yeah.
I loved it.
Yeah.
A lot happened this week, Abdullah, since our last episode. I think
a lot has happened.
A lot
this
has
week.
happened.
Yeah.
As per our producer, I don't know how
You
much.
know, my birthday happened.
Your
That's what
birthday happened, of
Yeah,
course.
yeah,
I was talking about that
yeah,
only.
yeah,
That was
of
main
course.
thing.
And because of the
Happy birthday, by the way.
Thank
Happy
you.
birthday.
Thank you
Everybody,
so
please
much.
comment saying happy birthday to
Thank you.
Bad Boy ABD.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But because of all that happening, I was supposed to go for paintball on my birthday. And I was
Right.
unable to do so because of said so much happening.
Right.
But what we have memes today?
We do
Yeah,
have memes
on
today.
that particular.
I also
thing
just
will
realized
happen.
something for some
Yeah.
odd reason. I don't know if the producers did this on purpose or what, but for some reason the distance has increased. So I was just
I
about
know.
to say about whatever happened this week. I was about to give you a fist bump because obviously
still can.
We still can, but thoda stretch zyada ho
yeah,
raha hai. I
it's
don't know
okay.
why.
No distance
But you
can
didn't
keep
go
us
for paintball.
apart. No, I did not. I went
That's
for laser
unfortunate.
tag with a bunch of bachas who I annihilated.
How old are you? What birthday was this for
It's
you?
my 25th birthday.
Okay, and you went
But
with bachas.
No, I didn't go with bachas.
Okay.
They were the only other opponents there.
Oh right, fair enough.
Yeah,
So you were
yeah.
like
Yeah.
paintballing the hell out of
I was
little kids.
laser tagging the hell
Oh,
out of them.
wow.
Their score was 30. I was 186. Yeah.
Fair.
Not fair.
Very,
at all.
very fair
No,
grounds.
No, because there were 7 kids, so every time they'd ambush me, I would just take the gun which had the receiver and put it behind me like this. So when they tried to shoot the lasers at me, they weren't getting points. I was, hey, you know. So I'm competitive. I need to win. Yeah.
That is funny. That
It
is
was a
really
lot of
funny.
fun, yeah.
I also remember that one of our audience member, they commented saying they want to be friends with Bad Boy ABD. I don't know if you saw that comment or not. Yeah, by the way. So
Really?
shout out to Miss Kinza. Miss Kinza said she wants to be friends with you.
Miss Kinza,
Shout out.
You come work at Dawn and we will become friends.
But yeah, I think we have lots of memes today.
Yes.
I'm super excited, super duper excited. I don't know what
Yeah.
the theme of the memes is, but I hope that it is a theme that we're thinking
Yeah,
it is.
about
You know what I'm
a
saying?
lot of events, including
Exactly.
my birthday. Yeah.
Our number one fan, Aisha, hit us. We're excited.
I don't know about you guys, but I am sick and tired of living through major historical
Seriously.
I'm really happy. I enjoy them because I'll tell you why. I think about if I hadn't done Park Studies Islamiyat yet,
Right.
I would have had to do all of these. So I'd rather live through them now peacefully rather than
Right.
be like, yaar, ye bhi yaad karna hoga, you know.
Nai cheez hoti rehti. That's true
Imagine.
actually. From our Park studies.
Everything COVID
yeah.
came, then you'll have to
Lockdown, COVID.
so many different things.
Um,
The political thing where it was impeached and then like all of this stuff. Imagine if you had to remember all of this.
Our generation has seen what all? COVID, lockdown, obviously to do with COVID, Ukraine, Russia, Gaza.
Yeah.
I mean, this has been going on for a while, but
A
our
while.
generation saw like the
The peak of all of
the
these,
peak
yeah.
of everything.
Really
And then of
scary.
course,
The
what
last
just
weekend, my birthday
recently
type
happened
scenes,
between
yeah.
Sahir Lodi and Shah Rukh Khan. The code word. So yeah, I mean, we've seen everything.
How
Abdullah.
is that a good
I don't know. I
word?
just made one Indian, one Pakistan, and yeah,
Done.
because they're pretty much the same, right? Once upon a time, we all were one,
Yeah, we
right? Once upon a
दिल
time.
में सब एक ही हैं.
It's like a Chachu and Taya family fighting. Joint family में थे, separate हो गए. Now the new house is fighting with the old house. Something like that. Just to, my own offset take.
Okay.
But
Very
without getting...
specific take है, बात
yeah, but
must I
without...
say. Yeah.
Maybe he's throwing some shade at my own. Anyway. All right. Hitting us with another one. Have you seen this before? No. I saw this before. This is really funny. And it for some reason it fits. Look at that.
Oh, that's
Mojo
too
Jojo
good.
given to the only Jojo. I love that. Wow. Ta-dang. Ta-dang. Ta-dang.
This is hilarious. How do people think of this?
Yo, Pakistani audience,
I love it.
Pakistani meme game is savage. We can lose in cricket. We can lose in a lot of
Everything.
other things. Memes,
We can't lose it.
Pakistan's Zindabad.
No, and I'll
Like,
tell you,
wow.
it's about how raw it is. They didn't even use like a background remover.
Nothing.
Plain hair with the blue background, just
And for some
content.
reason, even the character designation,
perfect.
Bubbles,
bubbles,
Buttercup,
100%.
Blossom,
Yeah.
all the Mojo Jojo.
Who did they give the mayor to?
The mayor, I don't think was in this because
There's,
they show
no
that
mayor in the
and then they
title
show the
sequence.
villains. But do you remember the song from Powerpuff?
This one?
Yeah.
Of course.
But the
there's also another one, Sesame Seeds.
Yeah, accidentally added Chemical X and the Powerpuff Girls.
No, that's the intro.
And the intro. Remember the intro?
Of course, I remember the intro.
Man, I used to.
I love Powerpuff
I used to
Girls.
get late for school every day and watch Powerpuff Girls.
Bro, I used
Just
to
by the
hate
way.
when I'd wake up and Dragon Tales used to play. I hated Dragon Tales. For some reason, it really reminded me of Purana Zamana.
Dragon
you
Tales
know,
was that.
I
wish with all my heart to fly away to the land of
and I'll tell you what really
I
bothered me
loved
in
it.
Dragon Tales. It was the color of that stone. When it used to call Shimri, I was like, what a cheap color, you know? Like, get a diamond.
That's a very hot take of the law.
Yeah, I don't know why.
This
like,
is a very
it was
big
I was
fan
like, get a
following.
better stone, please. This is really...
Please, in the comments, let
tacky.
us know if you guys like Dragon Tales or what was actually
Hey,
your favorite
I
cartoon.
always watched Dragon Tales. I didn't like
Of
it.
course.
But it wasn't like Courage the Cowardly Dog where I changed the channel. Like,
Right,
oh,
and I know I always do this with you when I say Robert Downey Jr. or Pedro Pascal and stuff like that. I always
please,
post such
ask me.
questions. Powerpuff Girls or Tom and Jerry when you were growing up?
Tom and Jerry, by far. By
Interesting.
far. Not a question.
Without any, yeah, that's true actually, and they had no dialogues in it. So
That's
it's
why
really-
I liked it. I didn't have
Yeah.
to think.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's
Yeah. And then, like, you know, they go like,
But for me, it's Powerpuff.
so you're more intellectual.
Yeah, if
Yeah.
you want to put it that way. But the curiosity was always with the mayor's secretary. And I think in one
The
episode.
one with the red,
Yes,
right?
and then
Yeah,
in one
yeah.
episode they showed her face, and I was like, "Whoa!" It was like a whole thing. It was like Game of
It
Thrones.
was like Rey
reveal.
Mysterio.
Yes, it was like
Mask
you never
of
know
that
the
guy,
face.
yeah.
Amazing. Okay.
Anyway.
Our number one fan, Aisha, please hit us. We are ready. रात जंग के लिए emergency siren बजा.
Oh, I
मैंने
saw
उठ के
that.
सैरी कर लिया. This is damn funny. This happened with me, by the way. I woke up one of the days and I got a call from my sister, from my family in America. Oh, is everything okay? They were, we heard stuff. We're not
Yeah.
gonna, of course, it's offset and not so political, so we won't name things. But we heard certain things in the air, this and that. And I was like, bro, I was like fast asleep. I watched my Netflix show, Brooklyn Nine-Nine, and I went to sleep. I do
Yeah.
not know what you guys are talking
Same.
about.
And my parents, like, apparently woke up and they came to my room to check if everything was okay and all. I was like, bro, I did not even, like, twitch in my sleep.
Do you
I
think
was
our
fast
generation,
asleep.
because we've seen, I
A
mean,
lot
I'm not
more.
without like I know a lot. Like, other generations have seen a lot too. The generations that came before us, right? But I feel like our generation,
We're desensitized to it.
yeah, like हम memes बना रहे हैं.
Yeah.
और वहाँ पता चल रहा है कि कराची पोर्ट जो है
हाँ,
you
तबाह
know,
हो
वो
गया है.
कुछ हो चुका है.
Yeah.
But हम memes बना रहे हैं बैठ के.
Of course.
So-
but I think it's also because a lot of these memes were made because of the way a lot of the stuff wasn't true, right? So like you're saying
Sure.
the Karachi port thing, nothing actually happened.
Yeah.
But it was just because of that we're like, oh, making light of it. Like I remember I saw this one, not unrelated to this, it happened like 2 weeks ago I saw, and someone said, oh, if anyone ever wants to, attack Karachi, so dekh ke wo taro mein phas jayegi. Like the way people think about this stuff, phone ghar pe chhod lena.
Exactly.
Ye mat kar. Like,
This influencer posted a
Yeah.
video of the road.
You can continue,
Okay.
but we have some of these already lined
Sure,
up.
Oh,
sure.
lovely.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay,
okay.
amazing. Our producers are one step ahead, as always. But there was this influencer who posted a video where the road was tutti putti. और वो कह रहे देखे भाई ये हुआ था and I'm trying not to use keywords by the way, I'm trying my best, but ये वो हुआ था और देखिए रोड का हाल ही हो गया. हमारा हाल वैसे ही है. The entire morning from phase 8 to this office of ours, I come like this in the car.
it's actually nice, bro. They care
Keeps
about
you alert.
No, it gives us massages.
Wow, wow,
You
wow,
know,
wow,
that's
wow,
how
wow,
we get a nice
yeah,
start to the
yeah.
morning.
But again, let me
Yeah.
just add, I love my city.
Of course.
With everything.
Nothing beats
Yeah,
Karachi.
yeah.
I tell you,
I 100%
anywhere in the
agree. I
world.
could not live anywhere else in Pakistan
Same.
but
Even
Karachi.
outside, I feel. Like
Yeah.
I feel like the comfort and everything of Karachi, like the air,
Yeah.
the pollution, it's home.
Yeah, like that kid said, I sacrifice my life for Pakistan. In our case, it's I
Karachi.
sacrifice my life for
Yeah.
Karachi. 110%. Okay.
इतनी गर्मी में कौन रखता है जंग? पहले मुझे ये बताओ हैं? इतनी गर्मी में कौन
Agreed.
कौन आएगा
Fully
जंग
agreed.
लड़ने के लिए जंग? मैं तो नहीं आऊंगा. 1 महीने सब्र कर लो यार, अच्छा मौसम आ जाएगा फिर कर लेना जंग आराम से सुकून से. और कसम वाली बात है, जैसे ही मैंने गौर किया मेरी शादी का टॉपिक छिड़ता है, कभी मैंने लगता है साथ ही कोई जंग छिड़ जाती है, कभी कोई कोरोना आ जाता है, कभी कोई
too good.
लगे, कभी कुछ और हो गया. यार क्या मसला है यार? सुकून से होने दो एकदम. फिर कर लेना.
I so feel this guy.
घर वाले अलग
I so feel him.
बताया मामा इंडिया हमला करने वाला है, जंग का समय चल रहा है, कुछ इस तरह होने वाला है. कहते ये सब तेरे मोबाइल की वजह से हो रहा है. ऊपर से क्या कहते हैं कि पानी बंद कर देंगे. मैं पानी मेरे मोहल्ले में पहले ही दिन में 4 घंटे टोटल पानी आता है. ऐसे आपके भाई को प्रैक्टिस है जाके बाल्टियां भरने में 3 से 4, 7 से 8, 10 से 11 फौरन मोटर ऑन की, ये बाल्टी जाके भर के रख लिया आराम से सुकून.
Oh my God.
पहले 4 घंटे आता था, 2 घंटे आ जाएगा. यार ये कैसी जंग है जिसको कोई सीरियसली ले ही नहीं रहा यार.
See,
Come on.
वही वाली बात.
That's the thing.
But वही बात है. I heard this somewhere that how much can you bother a country that is a city. Chalo, I'll talk about my city. I won't talk about the country because I feel like Islamabad is much more developed. how much can you bother Karachi while it's still in its developing phase?
You can't.
You can't. भाई पानी वैसे ही नहीं है.
There's nothing that you can do to us that A, we're not used to, or B, that we can't tackle. It's just something.
हमारे
Jugaaduness is now in our DNA.
yeah,
And we're like,
110%.
हाँ, इसका ये हाल है.
ये
go
हाल है.
there.
Every solution, every jugaad is the keyword you have in Karachi, right?
100%.
And it is just insane that again Karachi memers, Pakistani memers
Next level.
doing this. जो कि सही बात है, ना पानी है, ना बिजली है, ना गैस है, कुछ नहीं है, भाई तुम क्या लेके जाओगे?
Dude, forget that. You have an international press conference that's happening
Huh.
by, you know, your head of your armed forces and
Right.
everything. And the only thing people are talking about is how they have a crush on the, like, come
They're-
on.
they're
you can't
easy-
get more unserious than
Easily
that.
distracted. So much
Oh.
so that the guy's wife sent him the next day with a ring,
ring,
with
yeah.
a ring on his finger. So that was damn funny. But वो एक चीज बड़ी funny मुझे नजर आई कि a lot of people were, you know, God forbid, enjoying this time in Karachi only. Why? Because they said the muggers were on chutti. Everybody was so busy.
You know, I thought about this.
Yeah, by the way, everything
Because
was safe.
the roads
Karachi
were
was the
also very-
safest city in probably 30 years.
But you know, I'll say something. God forbid stuff never reaches to that point. But I thought if God forbid we ever do get, you know, attacked on ground, whatever, for whatever reason, our muggers are going to come to our defense, I feel. There's a lot of patrioticness, you know. In that.
I 100% agree.
You know,
I 100%
it may
agree.
be an illegal
Yeah.
whatever, but they
No.
will come. They'll say, हमारे लोग को नहीं, हम चोरी करेंगे इनसे, आप नहीं कर सकते.
Friday namaz
This-
last
yeah.
week, we were leaving the masjid and there was a truck driver and there was a car guy and the car guy said, "Tum Pathanon ko something something," and the truck driver said, "Tum Sindhiyon ko something something." I was walking right in the middle, me and Mikhail. I was walking and I looked at both of them and I said, "भाई, अभी सिंधी पठान वाला चक्कर चल ही नहीं रहा. पिछले 2 महीने से कुछ और चक्कर चल रहा है." Without, you know, using all the words right now, and they both, I kid you not, started laughing. वो एकदम से पूरी सिचुएशन डिफ्यूज हो गई एंड दे वर जस्ट लाफिंग एंड दे वर लाइक हाँ बात तो आप सही कह रहे ठीक है यार तुम थोड़ा साइड पे आ जाओ मैं थोड़ा साइड पे अच्छा साइड मिनट लग रहा है चलो कोई बात नहीं भाई हो सो यूनिटी
Look at you, Ibad. Oh, peacemaker.
Unity
I'll
from-
give you my Spider-Man costume.
muggers will also be united with us. I 100% agree. If anything, we might
100%.
find a mugger who stole a phone from us like 10
Yeah.
years ago. वो वापस
And
ही
then
ना
he
दे दे.
apologized. He
हाँ,
says,
sorry
"Bhai,
यार भाई.
Come on, yaar. I'm telling you.
So this was really funny that
Yeah.
muggers were also gone for chutti. Wow. Karachi, seriously, one of a kind.
Akshay Kumar. Ibad is getting sad now. Don't talk about Akshay Kumar like that.
Achha, so I don't know because this is offset.
Yeah.
I don't want to be too serious or too political, and again, we
Yeah.
shouldn't. However, Akshay Kumar, I love Akshay. I loved Akshay Kumar. He was one of my favorite, and not a lot of people understand it, but I used to find him really funny. I used to
He's
wait for his
very
movies, his
funny.
comedy movies. For
Yeah.
me, he's the best comedian
Honestly.
abhi in the recent times in India. However, the way they utilize their social media, our celebrities didn't do it like that.
Yeah.
So I got really put off. I unfollowed him. He
I
was
didn't
the
even-
first
I-
person I
I-
followed in 2013 when I made an Instagram.
You know, I've not followed, like, I don't follow a lot of celebrities overall on my social media, but I heard stuff that people were posting like this, but I personally don't follow anyone. So I didn't see. I would just hear on other people's stories
Yeah,
making fun of
yeah.
them. But it was very weird.
This
to see.
anti-Pakistan, anti-Muslim narratives in Bollywood, I feel like it should be separate.
No, but you know, I don't blame them for being anti-us because for them, the only thing they know about us is that we have surma and you have that
और जो
rumal
पीछे
से
म्यूजिक आता है
adab
पीछे
and the
म्यूजिक जो आता है वो
adab. Yeah.
म्यूजिक
Yeah, so
You know
obviously
that-
they get scared.
Yeah,
I would
yeah,
be scared
yeah.
too, you know.
But they should come, they should watch this podcast, guys.
Yeah.
Please watch podcast to actually understand what Karachiites really are and what they look
Yeah.
like and how they talk.
Yeah.
But-
Next, you know, you'll see Akshay Kumar recreating an offset. He's bro. See,
Akshay
there
Kumar
you
and
go.
Tiger Shroff. Wow, I love it. All right, hit us with another one.
Oh, I'm not going to comment on this one. I'm not going to comment. I feel we are stooping to a low level, and I will not laugh.
We don't have to comment on it, but it's funny. No comment. One thing, however, I'll say here, and I'll be a little lethal if you allow me. It is, according to this meme, safest place right now.
Yeah.
But 6 June, Bakra Eid, they might just start again. They might just start flying in again because there'll be a massacre. Anyway.
Dangerous territory.
Yeah.
is there,
We'll go on to the next one.
ये हमारी जनरेशन के नसीब में तो अलग ही किस्म के मसले आए पहले तो दादा हमारे गलत ट्रेन में बैठ गए 1947
Can you pause this
में,
for a
फिर आगे
second?
Seriously.
What's wrong with our generation? All of this is happening, and each person feels the need to take up their phone and start talking about their personal lives and say, "देखो तुम लोग मेरी जिंदगी में क्या?"
भाई सबका मेन इशू ये है हमारी जनरेशन का आपसे भी
Yeah.
थोड़े से ऊपर कि भाई शादियां नहीं हो रही शादियां जब करने का टाइम आया तो जंग हो गई, तो ये हो गया, तो
पहले
वो
COVID हो गया
पहले
था।
कोविड हो गया, फिर लॉकडाउन आ गया, फिर जिससे एंगेजमेंट हुई तो लॉकडाउन में समझ आया अच्छी नहीं लगती या अच्छा नहीं लगता, वो हो गया। तो ये अब जनरेशन के पास और कुछ बचा ही नहीं है सिवाय वेंट
Dangerous,
करने के।
I swear.
और थेरेपी में तो ये लोग बिलीव करते नहीं है, हम लोग तो करते
तो
नहीं
फिर
है।
सोशल मीडिया
पे वेंट करो, फोन बंद करो, अगले दिन डन।
उन्होंने गलत टाइम पे प्लॉट बेच दिया। बिटकॉइन हम नहीं खरीद पाए, यूट्यूब चैनल हमसे नहीं बना, 2019 में टिकटॉक हम नहीं बना पाए, कोविड में जवानी हमारी चली गई, 2019 के बाद से अब तक क्या हो रहा है कुछ समझ ही नहीं आ रहा। मस्त मस्त करके अभी कुछ लोगों की शादी हुई, कुछ की होने वाली है कि अब इन्होंने जंग करनी है यार। जो अभी जंग हो भी गई तो इसमें हमारा तो कोई नुकसान नहीं है, खास करके कराची वालों का, क्योंकि हम लोगों की तो वैसे ही जिंदगी जंग है। इंडिया वालों को सोचना चाहिए, इनके टैंक यहाँ पे यूनिवर्सिटी रोड पे फंसे रहेंगे, वहां से ये लोग हमला करने के लिए फोन कर रहे होंगे, यहाँ पे वो खड्डे से ही नहीं निकल पा रहा हो। आधे फौजियों के इनके मोबाइल छिन जाएंगे, आधों को डंपर वाले कुचल के चले जाएंगे। मलीरगंज में वैसे ही एनआईसी के बगैर एंट्री नहीं मिलती, वहाँ पे खड़े होके किसी को अंदर से कॉल कर रहे होंगे, कह रहे एंट्री करवाओ तो हम हमला करें। अब तुम लोग सोचो तुम्हें अच्छा लगेगा कि तुम लोग गोवा की बीच पे जाओ, नाड़ों वाले शलवार में पानी भर के ऊपर तैर रहे हो सब, या तुम लोग इंडिया गेट पे जाओ और 1 to 5 पे दौड़ के आके तुम्हारा मोबाइल छीन के चले, या तुम लोग दिल्ली में कबाब खाने जाओ और बाथरूम में चले तो उसमें गधे का गोश्त शामिल हुआ होगा। ऊपर से तुम लोगों ने पानी बंद कर दिया, यहाँ पे निक्के निक्के बच्चे बाथरूम से आवाजें लगा रहे, मम्मी धो दे, मम्मी धो दे। मम्मी कैसे धोए?
If we can turn the camera around the studio, you'll be able to see that everyone is laughing, including our director, our producer, and our number one fan, Miss Aisha, sitting right in front of us. This was damn funny.
This was very
This was so
good.
funny. And
Actually,
उसने
this is
vent-
one of the best ones.
Yeah, और ये इसने
And ये
vent
दिल
किया
से
है।
निकल रही थी, bro. You could tell. You could see the passion, the jazba that came with it.
उसने वेंट किया, उसने बोला भाई तुम कराची में आके फंस जाओगे, तुम क्या कर रहे हो?
And then what did he say? He said, "Tum
The Malir Cant thing for me is the funniest.
That was too
My
good.
uncle lives in Malir Cant, and the only reason, with all due respect, sorry, my uncle, I don't go to him is because chalo it's far, that's different. But the process, अंदर से कोई आएगा, अंदर
We'd have to come pick you up.
they have to come outside or they have to make a call. You have to give your NIC, your passport size picture, your everything.
Why? What's
Entry.
But what's in Malir?
It's a forces ka
I did not know
housing,
that.
right? Navy Housing Society. Malir is a forces ka housing society. I mean, anybody can get a house there, of
Yeah,
course. But for a
I
guest
did
to
not
come
know
in,
that.
yeah, the proper airport
But bro,
immigration se
to be
zyada hai.
honest, the same thing is happening with DHA as well now, if you notice.
Slowly starting.
Very slowly, but
starting.
phase 8, they're starting to, you know.
But I like that. Is it? I don't know if it's a bias because I live in phase 8, but I love that on Saturdays and Sundays they don't let bike walas enter because they go and freaking do their races and wheelies and.
Yeah.
अब ये आ जाए, अभी जंग हो जाए कराची में, सैटरडे संडे तो वैसे ही उनका बुक हो जाएगा. I was driving on Sunday near Kolachi, Seaview, phase 8. Abdullah, I kid you not, I actually thought I was looking at flies. That's how many people were near that pani. It actually felt like,
But they were celebrating.
sure, but there's just too many of us. So
Way too many.
God help.
I don't
Yeah.
know. For me, it makes no difference really.
Yeah.
When I go, there is like an added thing of those 8,000 speed breakers now.
Yeah.
And I keep
Yeah.
go.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
at the end of the day, it's like it's a small inconvenience when I'm going to Luna.
Guys,
I'm
all
not-
our
I'm not going to say where I got my coffee
fans
from.
and viewers and audience from
Yeah.
India, we have love for everybody. But this is really funny, and if
Yeah.
I wish we could one day put a GoPro here and show you what actually Karachi looks like, so you guys can also enjoy the humor. Our producer is saying something.
Don't worry, guys. Our channel has been blocked in India, so they won't see you anyway.
Our channel has been blocked in India. I think we should
They have
celebrate.
been?
Yeah, we should celebrate
Oh.
it first because that means they thought we were relevant,
Relevant, you know.
and which we are. So thank you, whoever did that. We appreciate it. We still respect. We still have only love for you.
All love for everyone.
All
Use
love.
a VPN and watch this, guys, because offset is above all else. Let's go.
But you
next
can't
news.
block
Thank you.
Offside. That's sad. That's
Facts.
sad. Okay, we're ready.
What will you take from India अगर पाकिस्तान जंग जीत जाता है तो?
Shahrukh
सोनम
Khan.
बाजवा
Sonam Bajwa.
दोस्त बनोगे मेरे? What will
Hype
you
man.
take from India अगर पाकिस्तान जंग जीत जाता है तो?
विराट कोहली
क्यों? विराट कोहली.
क्योंकि पाकिस्तान को क्रिकेट खेलने नहीं आती
खेलने नहीं आती.
यार, I love my
जंग हो
Punjabis.
गया, तो आप क्या करोगे?
With all due
मैं
respect.
कहूँगा कि
I'm
एग्जाम्स
also
कैंसिल हो
Punjabi.
गए हैं
Same here.
Good.
Exam
अगर
cancel.
इंडिया और पाकिस्तान की जंग होती है तो आप क्या करोगे?
मैं ना मौजे करूंगा तो पिज़्ज़ा शीज़ा
मौजे करूंगा, पिज़्ज़ा शीज़ा खाऊंगा.
वो उन्हें मैं मार दूंगा मतलब साइकिल है
दूंगा.
साइकिल. भाई हमारे
साइकिल
बच्चे
उड़ाऊंगा.
साइकिल पे जाने को तैयार है. हमारे बच्चे कह रहे वो आएंगे, मैं मौजे करूंगा, पिज्जे हाथ में होंगे और
पिज़्ज़े
साइकिल
शीज़े.
साइकिल पे निकल
शीज़े.
जाऊंगा. हाँ, और ये भी दिस इज अ कराची थिंग बाय द वे.
What?
Cheese, pizza, cheese.
No, does this sound Karachi?
Actually, yeah, that's Punjab.
This
but
is just a
Pakistan
Pakistani
No,
thing.
we add cheese and stuff like
Pani
that.
shani,
Pani shani.
cricket, shirkit.
Cricket.
Everything has a
football.
Yeah, you can't say one thing.
Yeah, but I don't know who came up with this, by the way. Like, why would football be woodball? Why
and
not
even
football?
Coke shoke.
Coke shoke,
And
eh?
you can't say Coke woke.
Yeah,
There's
chips-
just
yeah,
certain
chips
things
whips,
you have
eh?
to know. Chips whips.
I don't know who
Now you
did
can't
this.
say chips ships.
Who started this?
It's crazy. And it's funny how in our DNA we know that
We grew up with this.
No, and we don't say the wrong one.
Yeah.
Like poda shoda.
Nahin.
You wouldn't say poda wada.
Ah, exactly. That's what I'm saying.
You know which
Who
one's
instilled
right.
this within us?
Batti shatti.
Batti shatti band kar do. Ya pankha vanka chala do.
Yeah.
But who
Oh,
did this? Why isn't it
crazy.
pankha shanka?
And
Can you please name this episode? Is it pankha shanka or pankha vanka?
Panka Vanka.
You know?
Yeah.
Who did this? I don't understand.
No, but I've also heard Panka Shanka.
Yeah, but who started this, Abdullah?
I think
Please
Kurt.
let us know
I
in the
think
comment
Kurt.
section who started this pankha vanka shanka tanka. I need to know. Kurt? Yeah, Kurt. I think Kurt might be the one.
Yeah.
Kurt, please comment and let us know if you're the one who started it. Peace and love.
Thank you. Next meme.
Next meme, Aisha #1 fan. Oh, that's not a video.
That's messed up.
एक second, ये क्या लिखा हुआ है?
Pakistanis or example.
Yeah. Why is the
The poor Navy guy.
Why is the Navy
But you
uncle
know,
like?
Can I say something? Credit where it's due. This man, when he went for the second day for his speech thing, he quite literally said, me, also known as the silent guy, ha ha ha, which means they're watching memes as well.
So
that's what I love.
So your
I love it.
your
I love
hashtag
it.
Aura Aurangzeb, Sir Aurangzeb, who's become so famous and his
Yeah.
wife put a ring. He was quoting memes. He quoted 1 or 2 memes in his press conference. Yes,
I
you
did
guys know
not
that? Yes.
No. I know he said the 6-0
I don't want to say
thing.
it because it'll become political
Yeah,
then.
no.
But
I know he said the 6-0 thing, which
Yeah,
I found funny.
okay, I wasn't gonna
like,
say
why
it,
did
but
he say
yes.
nil?
because वो meme
I
था
know
ना.
it's like football, right?
Yeah, it's
6-0,
like a
yeah.
meme, right? 6-0. So he said, oh,
Oh,
6-0. So he was
yeah.
just. So point is that people are.
Yeah.
Another thing is the reason why I know our memes are doing, amazingly well in not just Pakistan but everywhere, because that's where the fake news and all of that, again, without getting too political, and because this is offset, they got that red flag because everybody in the world knows that, okay, if there's one nation that's sitting making memes on the information that the other nation is saying legit, and it's like the right news, our memes actually brought down the humorous aspect of this
yeah.
entire situation.
I think we de-escalated it, our generation. If you ask us,
110%.
it was not
Love to
it
our
was-
generation
it was
and our
not
memers.
The person that
Yeah.
said the ceasefire.
Yeah.
No, it was just our generation and our memes and our humor.
110%. Shout out to Tili also for its memes as well, and of course City FM 89. They also contributed in this meme.
Shameless
meme game.
plugging, Mr. Rabab. Okay, next.
We're ready.
You suddenly realize that
That's funny.
Call of Duty खेल रहे हो.
Because I know उस रात को a lot of my friends were sitting and they always do this Call of Duty online party
Yeah.
thing. And they were sitting and they were like, okay,
Yeah.
imagine अभी हम ये कर रहे हैं अभी. So that's funny. Because imagine अगर आप बैठे हो game खेल रहे हैं and suddenly you hear that sound and you're like, oh,
you
that's
say,
not.
oh no, and you just think game में ही है. Imagine.
Or you wake up and do sehri.
Yeah.
One of the
yeah,
two.
one of the
One
two.
of the two.
Either one.
Yeah.
New national medal to be awarded to digital soldiers of Pakistan. It's called Tamgai Mimtiaz. See?
That's that funny.
That's what I'm
That's
saying.
that funny. Tamgai meme teas to all the Pakistani
Honestly.
savage meme makers out there. 110%.
I think I should put this on my CV now.
Oh yes.
Yeah, Tamgai Mimtiaz
110%.
2025.
And
yeah.
I would get up and salute for them
Yeah.
every time. Miss Aisha, don't skip. She's skipping memes, guys. She thinks we're not gonna enjoy them.
Jinnah literally put
All
fun.
people, that's true.
That's
Jinnah, Jinnah Sahab did literally put all funny people.
No,
in
but you know
one
what? I
side
think
and
they
do
also have a
line.
lot of funny people because I saw a lot of their news things and they were really.
They're
and-
funny in their own way.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They were very entertaining. Like
Yeah.
they were giving like a report on some helicopter something, and while talking, the green screen transformed to a helicopter, and the news reporter just pretended to like squat, and she was like, "Oh, attacks are happening." I just found that so. And then the weather lady, she was like, "Oh, this is this," and then like fake, things were coming at her, and she's like, "Oh, they're attacking!" Like this is all real national level news. So I think they're funny in their own way as well, man.
Man, I
think just all of
I
us.
feel like in this case, I've never said this before, so this is gonna be a big thing to say and a big day. I would like to say that Lollywood
Yeah.
then sort of trumps Bollywood in that sense.
In humor.
Where Bollywood sometimes gets so exaggerated, so their news and their media is also adding the Bollywood-ness
Yeah.
to their news, which shouldn't be there.
Yeah.
But again, we enjoyed it because it was fun for us. And also,
Yeah.
guess what? We didn't block any page. So everything was open to us. We watched everything. We have nothing to,
Yeah. Twitter
enjoyed it.
also. It's never been
Everything.
banned.
एक चुटकी सिंदूर की कीमत तुम क्या जानो रमेश बाबू.
What is this?
This is Om Shanti Om dialogue. अभी और लंबा dialogue है. मुझे
Yeah,
पूरा आता है,
because
but
I
don't
remember the
wanna bore
ek chutki
viewers.
sindoor. Oh!
I was trying to be subtle,
Yeah,
but
now-
yes.
now I'm
yes,
realizing
yes.
what is
और आगे
happening.
is
Oh.
equal to देख ले क्या लिखा हुआ है.
Yeah,
6-0.
yeah. Understood.
It is what it is, guys.
No, but you know, Twitter was never banned in Pakistan.
Of course it was. What do you
Officially, it has never been banned in
mean? Then what was
Pakistan.
happening to it?
Bro, हमारा internet खराब था.
हाँ.
Yeah, jokes aside.
Yeah.
Officially, it's never
Yeah.
been banned.
और अब
yeah.
इंटरनेट सही हो गया.
Yeah, अब ठीक हो गया था.
After 2 years.
हाँ, क्योंकि वो जब अटैक करते तो वो तार ठीक हो गई थी.
रास्ते में तार सही करने आए थे वो, लगे हुए थे.
नहीं
भाई
वो
पेचकस
गलती से
देना.
लग गई थी. वो गलती से वो, you know when your phone charger, you're like motoring it like this to get it to work. That's what happened with our internet
And
tar.
God forbid if this happened during monsoon season
Oh,
and they came to Karachi during monsoon.
no, they have a good like navy ships. They
Okay, वो नेवी
वो
शिप
defense में आ सकते
वो
थे,
लैंड से ही
हाँ,
आती फिर इतना बुरा हाल है हमारे कराची का. Okay, what's
से आती या
next?
पानी से आती.
Aisha, number one fan. That was it. Aisha, we were just starting to
I
enjoy.
think they like shorter episodes. They told us that we, are just too good.
That is so sad, guys. To the producer and our number one fan Aisha, and obviously Kurt. We don't
And
like
to
you
my
guys.
new friend Kinza.
Your new friend Kinza,
Yes, Kinza. I've
110%.
not
Shout out to
forgotten
Kinza once again.
Yes,
Lots of
thank
love
you.
to Kinza.
She doesn't want to
that-
be your friend. Relax.
yeah, she doesn't want to be
Yeah.
your friend, of course. She wants to be bad boy ABD's friend.
Yeah.
Any last message
Yes.
on this topic only and all the
I
memes
would
that
just
we
say,
saw?
guys, life is not that deep. We all need to take a chill pill in life. We all are humans. We all just need to have
Karachi
fun.
is deep when monsoon
Karachi
happens.
is deep when the monsoon comes. But other than that, live, laugh, and just laugh.
Live, laugh, and laugh.
Yeah,
just keep
just
laughing,
keep
guys.
laughing.
Keep
The
watching
memes
our
are,
memes
limitless.
and loving.
Yeah.
Live, love, laugh, love.
No, live,
No.
laugh.
Live, laugh, laugh.
Yeah,
That's
that's the new motto.
Ali कह रहा हूँ. Some Ali
Are
is
you
stuck
cheating
here.
on me with another co-host? What's going on, Abad? Do we need to have a joke about this?
Bad boy ABD. You got to trademark that.
I'm walking out, guys, officially.
Abdullah, come back. We need to. Oh my God. Abdullah has walked away because I accidentally called him Ali. But let's see if I can make up for that and bring him on in the next episode because I clearly cannot host this podcast without Abdullah. This is Offset. I'm Ibad Ali Shah. That was Abdullah Malik. We miss him already. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And stay tuned to City FM 89. Offset.